guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Xrizz'Tina Mitchell. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe because you're not here for no reason. Alright, so this is the look that we're doing today. I know this is absolutely ridiculously crazy. It's so colorful. Keep watching, subscribe, thumbs up, you know, because you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it, so you might as well just already give me a thumbs up, you know. I'm just gonna blend this out. This is the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, by the way. I'm putting this all over my lid, blending it into my crease and into the concealer that I used on my brows. I'm just gonna set this with my Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder from IT. I feel like I spent all last night trying to plan this makeup look, and I honestly had no idea. I had no clue what I wanted to do. I'm gonna go into this ColourPop eyeshadow. This is in the shade To a T. I don't know why I said To a T. I was trying to pronounce it like all together because it says To a T, but it's To a T. And this is a matte. I like trying new eyeshadows, but I feel like here lately the formula of like the different brands have just been disappointing to me. This is really light. It's not super duper pigmented, and I guess that's okay for a transition shade because that's what I'm using it for. I'm gonna go into this eyeshadow right here. I think this is from MAC. I forgot the name of it, but it's a light pink and it's matte. And I'm just going to put that all over the place, you guys, and sweep this out into my brow bone. This is going to set the tone of my eyeshadow look. This is a warm toned pink-ish color. Really soft, very cute. Okay, so I'm going back into this palette that I don't trust. I'm gonna go into the pink eyeshadow just to see what's gonna happen. I think I'm about to do a cut crease, you guys. I think that is what is about to happen. So I'm gonna go in with my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. So I'm gonna take this little, right here, this little line, I'm gonna use that as my guide. I feel like that's a new line. No wrinkles, no. Now the fun part about a cut crease is deciding how you want it to go. You can either have it go down, you can have it go straight out, or you could have it go upwards. I think today I'm gonna have it go upwards. And a bit of a wing, like so. Then I'm gonna put the rest of the primer all over my lid. So I'm gonna take this color right here. It's called Fast Ball, and I'm gonna put this all over my lid, like so, like so. If you have a smaller detailing brush, that'll be really good for looks like this because you can get really close and get nice precise lines and stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna take MAC's Blue Brown Pigment, and I'm gonna put this on my lid as well. Now I have no idea how this is gonna turn out, but we're experimenting. We're rolling with the punches. We're doing the darn thing, you know? This is looking awesome. So sick. Oh, I'm gonna go into my makeup for Melanin Girls glitter palette, and I'm dipping and diving into this one right here. It's a really pretty iridescent one. go in with this pink liquid liner from NYX in the Vivid's bright shade, Vivid Petal. For my eyes, to complete my eye look, because my eyes look incomplete. I'm gonna go ahead and go into this eyeshadow called Birthday Cake from ColourPop. I'm gonna put it right here, right on top of all of that, and right here. And we just want this to basically cover the entire tear duct and inner corner of our eye. We are gonna go ham with this because we are going to sparkle, and this is the base for all of that. So right on top of that, I'm gonna take this pretty pink. This is from Glitter Injections. It is a glitter. I have no idea what the name of it is, but I know that it's cute, and if I can find it on their website still, if they still sell it, I will link it down below. So I'm going to take the same brush that I just used. I'm going to put this glitter on like mayo on a sandwich, honey. We are just slapping it on. And that is just going to intensify that sparkle to the max. Oh, I did bring a highlighter. This right here. So this is a cream highlighter from NARS. And I just like to dab it like that on my face. Real light. And then I'll take my beauty blender and just blend it out like so. That way it's real subtle, natural, you know. This eyeliner is from Clinique. It's called Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen. And I like this because it's really, really precise, and I can get super duper close to my lash line with ease. Then I think I want to put some white liner on, so I'm going to go in with this Too Faced 24-Hour Bulletproof Shadow Liner in the shade White Lie. So now we're going to move on to lashes. So I'm going to use my beautiful, what are they called? Vegas nail lashes. And these are in the style, the Grand Glamour lashes. That's the style that they are in. I'm going to pop these on using my Thrive Cosmetics Infinity Waterproof Liquid Adhesive for lashes. Okay, so I'm going to take some teardrop looking rhinestones. I'm going to put some glue down first because I find that it makes it easier. And then I'm going to put the teardrop on. Just for fun, I'm going to use this MAC Dazzle Glass in the shade Cherry Popping. I think this is limited edition, but I never wear it, so I'm going to wear it. That's cute. Oh, whatever. Alright, so now I'm just going to add some mascara, and that will be the final look. The mascara that I'm using is the Estee Lauder Sumptuous Extreme Mascara. The wand is really, really big, so if you have a lot of eyelashes, this will coat them pretty good. I don't really stress over mascara unless it's like flaky or something. This one's pretty decent. Only thing I don't like about it is how when it dries, it looks kind of gray instead of black. And it might be because it's matte or whatever, I don't know. Yes, yes, we extra cute. Except over here where this foundation separated, but we ain't supposed to worry about that. We are not about to worry about that. One thing I hate is putting away all my makeup after I filmed. It sucks. That part sucks. I hope y'all like it. I mean, I know this is not every day. I know this is not, you know, natural, but work with me here. You know, this is cute. We got the highlight going. We got the teardrop and the stars, you know, big lashes, colorful. Spring is right around the corner. I know it feels like dead winter right now, like all across America, but I promise you winter is about to be over. Spring is coming, and this tutorial is perfect. Give me a big old thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. I mean, what are you doing? Share this video with somebody, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, somebody. Let somebody know. Send it to your mom in a text. Tell her how crazy I look. Like, let everybody know. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the next video. I'm gonna put it right here for you guys so that you can see. Because, you know, it's convenient. It's there for you. Just click on it. It's no big deal. I mean, you can click on it and go use the bathroom or get a snack or something. I don't know. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.